Hey friends, Dave Demangos here with another handyman little tip for your DIYers. We have a valve I'm going to show you how to keep from leaking, and this is a gate valve, so stay tuned. Alright, so here we are at a client's new home, and I always like to come and just do the little easy fixes. As you can see, this gate valve is dripping here. What happens a lot of the times is this packing becomes compressed, and using this nut you can turn it and usually seal up any leaks. So I'm going to do that. As you can see here, I'm going to take my wrench and just give it a little turn, and that's probably, I don't know, 10 or 12 foot-pounds, somewhere in there. Turn the valve back on and see if we still have the leak. And you can see there it has stopped leaking. So while we're here, let me just explain the difference between a gate valve and a ball valve. So ball valves just seem to be much more reliable. This has a little actual stainless steel ball in there that spins on a little washer and stays really working at optimal. By the way, you can change the packing in this gate valve too. They're usually a temporary fix on anything to do with you know, the older style gate valves. So just my opinion. Hopefully that helps you. Good luck.